Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick if you're working in Figma, how to send an object to the back of your design. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to control the layer order in your project, so your designs look just the way you want them to. Even if you're brand new to Figma, I'm going to walk you through each step and make it easy. So first things first, let's head over to Figma. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch the app or open it in your browser. You can use either the desktop app or the web version. It all works the same for what we're doing today. Now, once you're in, it doesn't matter what type of project you have. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I've set up a really simple example with a few colorful circles on the canvas. These circles represent your design elements. Maybe they're buttons in an app or icons or decoration in a poster. Whatever they are in your context, sometimes you'll want to change where an object sits in relation to everything else. That's what sending to back is all about. It moves your selected shape all the way behind every other layer on your canvas, kind of like sliding a piece of paper under a stack. Alright, let's try it together. Take a look at your canvas and pick one of your circles. Maybe it's right in the middle or it's overlapping with the others. Click once on that circle to select it. You'll know it's selected because you'll see a blue outline and the bounding box handles will appear around it. This is important because Figma needs to know which object you want to move. Now here comes the key part. With your circle still selected, right-click anywhere on that circle. You'll see the context menu pop up, a long list of options. Scroll down a bit until you spot the option that says Send to Back. Go ahead and click it. Instantly, you'll notice your circle jumps behind all the other shapes on your canvas. It's now at the bottom of the visual stack. This is a really handy technique when you're dealing with overlapping elements. Maybe you accidentally created something on top of another object, or you want to reorder things to tidy up your design. Sometimes I think of it like rearranging sheets of paper on your desk. Whichever is sent to the back, it's like sliding it underneath the pile. If you ever hit a snag, like if you right-click and don't see the Send to Back option, just make sure you actually have the circle selected. Sometimes you might be clicking on empty space or on a group rather than an individual shape. No worries, just click around until you see that selection box, then try again. And that's really all there is to it. Go ahead and experiment with a few more shapes, try sending different ones to the back, and see how it affects your layout. This little trick will save you tons of time when arranging objects in your Figma projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, let me know in the comments below. I love helping out. And for more step-by-step design tips and tutorials, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.